Search for Smart VPN Client APK. Download from APK Pure. Press voice button and say Open Google Play Store. Install S2X for APK installation. Install Sideload folder for opening sideloaded apps. Open S2X and allow Manage All Files permission. Click Client and long press on File listing and select Browser Upload. Upload Smart VPN Client from browser. Click on it to install. Install unknown apps must be enabled. On some devices, developer options also need to be enabled. Open Sideload folder to open Smart VPN Client. Add a profile. You need to use a mouse, otherwise you can't get over the password field. Once saved, click the profile to connect. Works like a charm.